Full day on oil and natural gas. I hope you all profited from the levels to go short, which I shared yesterday in my analysis. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we can take? What can be expected out of these two instruments? We'll try to find out with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do watch my daily and weekly analysis. Definitely, it will help you in your day trading decisions. Let's start with US crude first. So US crude on the hourly charts appears it has achieved the channel highs here, and yes, a long entry is recommended only if it breaks past 110. Till the time it is below 110, one can expect it to drop further. Now look at this, it is coming out of the consolidation zone, it is consolidated, this is the breakout, and once it breaks past 100, 8.5 levels here, I will say one can go short there, and one can, or rather I will say go short only below 108, where one can because 108 is a very strong support, and this I have always maintained. This was resistance for the upside, this is a support for the downside. If it breaks 108, one can again go short, one can expect it to come back till towards how low it can go, it can again come back till towards 106 107 level. So first target 107, next 106, and below that we may see a sharper drop. Now look at the directional movement is bullish here, crossed over but looking downwards, trading with a downward slope. The stochastic is near to bottom there, trying to enter into oversold levels. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over. The RSI is looking downwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour charts, one can observe that, see what it is trying to do. It is trying to look forward to trade in this channel, lower highs, lower lows, and once it breaks past 108, definitely one can expect that it is going to give you a sharper drop till towards 107 106. So yes, a long entry above 110, a short entry below 108 is recommended. And yes, the directional movement is crossing for a buy side, and if you look at the stochastic, this was overbought, now looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell, the RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, the first observation is the channel highs it has done, second observation is the higher lows it is trying to give on the near time frame chart, and that is why it is important if it breaks 108 only to go short there, and if it breaks 110 it may try to give you a bullish breakout. Now directional movement is bearish, however the gap is narrowing, the stochastic is overbought, hence looking downwards and drop can be expected. But the MACD has crossed over on the buy side here, and probably that is the one indication which is giving a opposite signal right now. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, it is looking downwards, lower highs, and yes, a long entry only is above 110, very clear. But at the same time, it may try to achieve 108 and then give you a sharper drop till towards 107 and 106 levels. So I will be waiting for that. I will expect it to drop till towards 107, 106 levels. The directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge and probably try to cross over, but that is going to be bullish crossover, so it has to show some bullish move, else it will continue to trade in this sell side itself. RSI is looking downwards here. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts you will observe, see this is the high and it is formed lower highs there, and probably I'll be watchful of this level. So see here again 114 it is precisely achieved, and now again trying to trade downwards here. Look at the daily chart, the daily candle is yet to form. See, the new candle is yet to start, and hence this might close it in red, that is at around 108 levels this candle might close, and from there one can expect that the down run will continue again, and probably we may see a little drop again. That is my expectation. However, if it closes above 109 110, probably we may see it bullish again. Look at the downside, see on the downside 109 levels should provide a very strong resistance for it to rise today. If it breaks past 109, one can go long for 110, and if it breaks past 110, one can expect 112 levels. Look at the directional movement is bearish and it is crossed over. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge here and it is bullish right now. The RSI is also trading flat here. Considering this, I'll recommend you to take a long entry at above, in fact 109 levels itself. Once you see it trading above 109, one can expect 110 levels, and once you see it trading below 108, one can expect 107 levels and 106 levels to get achieved today. Trading either ways, definitely you can profit. Trade with stop loss. Once your position is in green and if you see it trading in your direction, you can always take profits and then expect for a reversal, or for a continuous trend you can again re-enter. So take your positions accordingly, but do not forget to put your stop loss at cost always and preserve your capital, as the market may swing strongly. Now this is on crude oil. Let's have a look at NG. See NG on the hourly chart getting some support, or will get some support at $8.1 levels, or rather you can say 8.08 levels. Once it breaks past 8.08, one can expect that it is going to break below $8 levels, and in fact it can try to hit 7.9, 7.8 levels. Also, if you look at the directional movement, it is bearish. The stochastic is oversold, and this is what appears to reflect for a reversal, but at the same time only long entry is above $8.2 levels. Once it breaks past 8.2, you can go long. Look at the directional movement, it is bearish, and this is MACD, and this is bearish, and it is divergent, indicating more bearishness. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts we can see the high here is $8.2 levels, and with that as high it may try to give you another red candle, but only long entry is above 8.2. That is very much clear. Beyond that one can expect 8.3, 8.4 levels. In fact it can try to hit 8.5. At the same time, breaking 8.08 levels, one can expect it to drop till towards this zone is $8 levels, and in fact it can try to drop below those levels. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold. These levels are giving me a different indication. Look at the MACD, this is also bearish, this is wide and divergent, and the stochastic is RSI is trading with a downward slope. If you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts one can observe that the fresh candle is about to begin. See, smaller body size, bigger body size, and we can expect a further bigger body size. We'll try to take it towards either 8.05 or $8 level. So yes, with the stop loss here at 8.2, one can remain short on NG with the stop loss at 8.2 levels, and the target is going to be $8, and below that we can expect a sharper drop. Now look at the directional movement is bullish, but it is trying to cross over on the sell side, and if you look at the stochastic on the 3-hour charts, trying to enter into oversold positions, but still can take couple or more red candles. The MACD is divergent, indicating bearishness, strong bearishness rather, and the RSI is also looking downward. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart it appears it may try to come back here till towards $8 levels, and with that as support I will be watchful of. If $8 level is taken, I will be expecting it to come back till towards this zone at 7.85. So yes, you can take a short entry or you can remain short with the stop loss at 8.2. One can expect it to at least hit 8 dollar levels, and 8.05 and $8 levels can be expected. The directional movement is it is bullish but trying to converge and crossover. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD, if you talk about it, is divergent and it can accommodate couple more red candles on the downside. The RSI is also looking downwards, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see lower highs, lower lows, it is trying to trade in this channel. Now I'll be watchful. If it breaks past $8 today, one can expect that it is going to give you a sharper drop, which will try to take it towards 7.8 and 7.7 levels. So yes, you can remain short on NG today with the stop loss at 8.2. That is what it appears. At the same time, one should not forget that the directional movement is still bullish, but it is trying to converge. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and the RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, one can remain short on NG below 8.1 levels and 8.08 levels, and at the same time one can go long at 8.2 levels, beyond which one can expect that it may try to come back till towards 8.35, 8.4 levels, and if it breaks that, one can expect a sharper rise till towards 8.6 and 8.8 levels. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side, and if you want to learn the same expertise, if you want to learn the methodologies to make profit in market, you can join my 11th batch. The next mentorship batch is starting on 6th of June. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group where just by trading as per signals, definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email ID are mentioned in the channel and videos description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.